This Zobo that I'm making in this video is going to stay up to 5 months. It can stay up to 3 months outside the fridge, and then when you keep it in your fridge chilled, it can stay up to 5 months without going bad. So to make this Zobo, I'll be using pineapple peels. I washed my pineapple peels, and then I'm going to go ahead and prepare my Zobo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. On this channel I post food videos, how to make different drinks, healthy drinks, how to make snacks and other African dishes. So I went ahead to wash my Zobo. This step is also very important. After that, I'm going to prepare the other things that I'll be using. Now, I'm using pineapple peel for this very drink. I will tell you the reason why I'm using pineapple peel, and how it is also going to extend the shelf life of your Zobo. I will tell you that before the end of this video, so keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, share this video with people you know. Yes, you may just be helping somebody. Now this recipe is commercial Zobo. Like, this is how to make Zobo that you're selling and you want to make profits. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash my clothes. You can actually add more things to your Zobo. Zobo is something that you can customize, okay? But this particular recipe, like these things, this one now I'm showing you in this video, is like, even if you don't want to do at all, like you don't want to add things to your Zobo, these are the things you should add to have your Zobo taste okay. This one here is tamarind. I'm going to also add tamarind. It helps with the taste, it enhances the taste. I love the taste of this tamarind when you add it to Zobo. So if you're making commercial Zobo, you're not adding no, add these things that I'm adding in this video. Then if you now want to do more, you can add more things to it. Okay, so after preparing everything, this is what I have. You can go ahead and pound your ginger so that it will come out very well. Pound or blend your ginger. In fact, you can blend all the things you want to make use for this so that it will come out very well. So after that, I'm going to add enough water that is going to cover the Zobo. So for those of you who come asking me what is the measurement, the water measurement, just add water that will cover the Zobo and be checking the color. If you're making Zobo, add enough water that will cover the Zobo and be checking the color. What you should be more concerned about is the color of your Zobo. So you add enough water. You can see the Zobo I'm cooking in this video, it's actually Zobo that I bought for 200 naira, just 200 naira. So here's my Zobo after cooking. I'll go ahead and strain using this. Very important, okay, so you don't leave chaff in your Zobo. Now because I'll be adding preservative to this, I'm going to measure. This is very important. I'm going to measure my Zobo because I'll be adding preservative. Now this preservative is not the normal preservative that people add to Zobo, and the Zobo lasts for 1 month. I know preservatives, for those of you who would want to come under this comment and say add this whole thing, yes, there are preservatives you can add to your Zobo and it will last for 1 month. Yes, I've even talked about some of them on my channel for free. But this very video, like this very thing I'm doing in this video, it will keep your Zobo for 3 months outside the fridge and 5 to 6 months inside the fridge. 5 to 6 months inside the fridge. So I'm going to just see this out, and then I'm going to move on to the next thing. At this point, I'm going to measure my preservatives and add, because I don't want this Zobo to just go bad like that. Now, one thing I teach when I teach people about how to use preservative, it's not something you just carry your measurement spoon and carry and pour. It is something that requires measurement, accurate measurement, something that, like, I can't explain it enough. I have a class for that, just for those of you who would want to enroll. And my Zobo class is very affordable, just 5,000 naira, just 5,000 naira. Okay, so in that class you will learn everything about the preservation and everything that you need to know. I teach everything, how to make everything on this channel for free. But when it has to do with how to preserve these things apart from using fridge, you will have to pay something to get it, because I paid to learn. Okay, so I'm going to measure my preservative and I'll add into my Zobo. So doing this carefully and doing it neatly is very, very important. I'll be leaving my contact on the screen just in case you want to learn. I'll leave my contact on the screen. You don't need to call me, you just need to chat me. That is my WhatsApp, my business WhatsApp number. So you just need to chat me up. If you're interested in the class, you make payment and then I'll give you access to the class where you will learn how to do this thing. So I'll go ahead and add my preservative. That is after having it dissolved properly. Now, I talked about, I'm going to tell you guys why I'm using pineapple peel. If you want your Zobo to last for you, do not use fresh fruits. Instead, use the peels of that fruit. Okay, so when you use the peels of the fruit, even without adding preservative, that's usable with just the pineapple peel or any other fruit you want to use, just the peel of it. That Zobo will last you, at least it should last you up to like 3 weeks in the fridge. I'll be using this to sweeten my Zobo. Okay, so go ahead and add this. Now, this particular sweetener, one of it is for 2.5 liters. So if you're making more than 2.5 liters, you may want to add more. Sometimes you can use this for 3 liters, you can use it for 4 liters. It all depends on how sweet you want your drink to be. Alright, so you can use this to sweeten your drink, especially if you're selling it out. Because if you want to buy sugar, by the time you buy sugar that will be able to sweeten the Zobo, it will cost you more. So if you're selling this, like I said, this is commercial Zobo. If you're selling this, you may want to use something like this to sweeten it. Alright, it is actually more affordable than buying sugar. After that, I'm going to get a very clean container where I'm going to package it, seal it properly, package it, and then just keep it. This will not go bad. So guys, that is it on how to make commercial Zobo.